Hey everybody, welcome back. Now, coming this winter, it's going to get awfully cold, especially in a Canadian climate. Some of you may live in Northern American climates or even abroad in the world where it gets awfully cold. One of the things that we do, some people store them indoors. There's a bit of a requirement for some ventilation and stuff, but one of the things that we can do is we can wrap the hive with an insulated cover. Now, some people just put them together and just like literally walk around it with a bunch of plastic and then insulation and just make like a gigantic lasagna and just pack it all in. They make sure there's a hole at the bottom and the top so there's airflow, and then after that the bees are kind of like all together like a condominium, all keeping each other warm. That's something that I kind of do over there, but just not with them all together, just individually wrapped. At the very least, they still share an inside so that they don't have all exposed walls. Right here we have these hives, and one of the things we're going to do is we're just going to make individual wraps, and we're going to put it around each hive. So I've gone ahead and made one and went through the measuring and figuring out the length of things. So let's go make a hive wrap. All right, it's getting dark already, but I hope you see how easy it is to make a hive wrap. You know, those would cost about, now these prices won't translate into the States because things are a little bit more expensive here, but those hive wraps probably cost about 30 bucks here. You know, I don't know what they're going to cost other places, but yeah, you probably pay about 30 bucks. And there's a little piece of insulation you have to, it's just a piece of insulation about yay thin, and it's in a bag, and you put that on the top, and that insulates the top kind of like an attic, keeps it from getting frost on it and dripping down on the bees. So that's also super easy to make, and it comes with it for about 30 bucks or so. But you know, after you buy the plastic And I did buy the heat gun, which you probably could get away with not buying. You know, you're looking at only about $5 for making those yourself. So you know, it's something totally doable. I'm probably just gonna make a whole bunch myself. You know, it takes me about half hour or so if I'm committing myself to it. Hope that helps, and I'm going to be putting instructions up on the website when I can. I'm a little busy right now, but I'm going to try to put them together and then put something together that's easy to read and follow. So anyways, I hope this helps, and good luck wrapping your hives up and getting the bees prepared for winter.